Hi, I'm Landon Bushing, your local luxury listing specialist here in Carmel, Indiana. We have our newest luxury property here. I want to take you on a tour of this grand property. The address is 12563 Pembroke Circle. Come on, let's take a look. Here we are in your kitchen area. It's an open concept. What I think a future buyer is really going to enjoy about this is that we have nice granite countertops. We have some pretty artistic looking kitchen cabinets. This is not just your regular ordinary. Gives it a little flair and style. Something I think is really neat about this kitchen. Hey, check this out. Watch this. Open and close. Pretty neat. Check out the rest of the kitchen. I think you'll like it. Here we are in our fully finished basement. As you can see, it's great, bright room, big space. I really love this entertainment. This is perfect for like a projection TV. It's got storage in here. Check out the rest of the basement. Here we are in the primary bedroom. I want to take a tour of this because this is a pretty unique primary bedroom. I don't think I've ever seen something like that. First off, you have a very large space here, tall ceilings. Over here, you have like your own private little office space, whatever. You know, maybe you have a little child, perfect for a little nursery for new moms, new dads, new parents. Great space for that. Couple things I've not done a good job explaining throughout this are the new updated electrical outlets here on this property. That's super unique. Come on, we're gonna keep going. I know this is a little bit longer, but check out this. Look out the master. And I've just got to show you this really cool feature in the bathroom. Come on, look at the bathroom. It's fantastic. One more thing, the tiny little secret door. Check this out. Most do not have something like this. Luxury does. Your own private washer and dryer upstairs in the master bedroom. What a cool feature. If you're curious to know more about this particular property, I'm happy to help you out with this luxury listing here in Carmel, Indiana. My name is Landon Bushing. I'm your local luxury listing specialist. My contact phone number is area code 260-573-6316. I hope you make it a great day.